All right, hey, I'm Mike Baker. I run the hot water company here in Bozeman, Montana, in Gallatin Valley. Let's talk about your water shutoff. So a lot of people are like, Mike, is my water shut off in the house? Is my water shut off in the crawl space? Is it in the basement? Is it out in the yard? And the answer is yes. Yes, it is all of those places. Houses atypically have two shutoffs. So in the city, you're going to have a curb stop that the city and some plumbers with the right key can go out and shut off at the street. Most of the time in your house, if you have a basement, you have a mechanical area where there's a main to shut off your water, or in your crawl space, there will be your main coming up in the dirt and it will go to all of your fixtures. And if you get down there with a flashlight, you'll find the ball valve that is the main for the house to shut off. The thing about these mains, I would love to tell you, typically you're going to find them in one of those three places. Okay, and there's typically, like I said, two. If you have a well, then wherever the well tank is where you're going to shut it off. All right, and then you can go find your well in the yard. You can shut it off at the panel with the breaker to shut the pump off, or you can just shut it off at the ball valve at the pressure tank. So things to think about. For one, always know where your shutoff is, because if you have an emergency and you got to shut the water off to the house, you want to know where it's at more quickly than not. All right. You can think to yourself, well, I'm just going to call a plumber to do that. But that thing could be gushing full bore into your crawl space, your basement, wherever. And it's going to cause more damage. And more damage means more delay. All right. And that's not what you want, especially if you're paying for water damage type items. So when it comes to your water shut off, you want to make sure it's serviceable. You want to make sure that you once a year go to wherever it's at and exercise it, which means shut it all the way off, turn it all the way on, walk away once a year. Because what'll happen is they'll go 15, 20 years without being touched. Plumber's got to get down there and we have to put a set of channel locks on it and hope it doesn't snap off because it's never been exercised, it's never been checked. And as a homeowner, that is your responsibility. So and it'll save you having to buy a ball valve if there's ever a problem because it snaps off. So things to keep in mind is, once again, knowing where they're at, knowing how quickly you can get there. I would love to tell you in a crawl space that they're right by the crawl space door. They're not. Atypically, they are on the opposite end of the crawl space from wherever that crawl space door is. Sorry. But be proactive about your water shutoff. Know where it's at. Make sure your spouse knows where it's at. Make sure that your adult kids or your teenage kids know where it's at. It's not that hard to find. It takes 2 seconds. And like I said, damage, it doesn't take very long for a house to get damaged with a tremendous amount of water. Hour and you are flooded. So have a great day.